So in this video, I will show you how to make shaking text effect in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, go to text and import your text. So now here is my text. So the next thing to do now, go to this effect and then search for shake. So after you search for shake, so it will give you different shaking effect for your text. So you can go ahead now and scroll to down and choose this camera shake and drag it to the timeline. So adjust the duration to fit the text. After you finish that, now select the camera shake effect. Go to this speed. You can decrease the speed and glow and the straight. So for the speed, I'll just go with 30. So for the glow, I'll go with 30 again. And for the strength, I'll just go with 35 and click enter. So here is it now. Let's play the video and see. So if you want, you can increase the speed or the glow or the stretch in this option. After you finish, just select the glow, select the effects and the text. After you select them all, right click and go to create compound clip. So now you add the effect to only your text and that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.